What up though? If you have seen me with this same look already, that means that you've watched my previous video. But here's a secret. I like to record a lot of the unboxings at the same time because it makes it a lot easier for me. I can bleach all of the knots at the same time, all of that kind of stuff. So today I have a wig. It's from a company called Only Really. Now I have worked with them in the past. The last time that I worked for them, I believe that I reviewed like a curly unit for them. I will leave it linked down below. I know a lot of times I say, oh, I'm gonna link it down below, and then I freaking forget. Every YouTuber does it. I mean, it's nothing new to y'all. Today's package was shipped to me via DHL. Here is the packaging. It says 100% human hair here. It's a pink box, it's pretty plain. So you're probably like, well, how do you know that it's from that company? I'll show you why. The wig came inside of this bag as well. So it's inside of this box, and the box was inside of this bag. So here is the wig right here. It's still in the net. It did come in a plastic bag as well, but I just took that off of there. So inside of the package, you do get a free wig cap. They gave me a brown one. So here's the unit. It's actually very similar to the last wig that I just reviewed, but this one is like body wave all the way through. Here is the frontal. The knots actually, girl, let me find out the knots is bleached already. Girl, let me find out the knots is bleached already. Girl, look at this. So here is the frontal part. Is that makeup or did they bleach it? It looked like they bleached it, y'all. They bleached it, but like only in a section of it. I don't think they bleached the whole thing. That's pretty cool. So they bleached the perimeter, which is great. That's usually the part that everybody sees anyway. But yeah, that part is bleached. It does come with combs. So I still think I'm gonna go ahead and bleach the knots, but the knots are also very small. I don't know if you guys can tell, but the knots are like super small in here, like you can barely see them. You see how tiny these knots are? They're amazing. So it does say like the inches and what kind of, well, it doesn't say the inches actually on here. But it says that it's a Brazilian version natural color Beyonce wave small cap 360 wig. But I'll let you guys know the inches and everything in the description box. But with this one, I don't know. It's really long though. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and finish bleaching this unit because they didn't finish bleaching it. Like once again, you see the line of demarcation? It's like really light down here and then it gets dark up here. So wherever it's dark at, I'm just gonna bleach those areas and then cut these combs out on the sides. So here is what the unit looked like after I went ahead and plucked it and I bleached the knots on the unit. I really went in and perfected this hairline to give it a really natural look. And I mean, it's absolutely amazing. Here is what the hair looks like after it air dried. It does still have that curl pattern in it. And look how full this unit is, you guys. This wig is so bomb. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing that we're going to do is protect our hair with this Turn Up the Heat Beyond the Zone spray. This is a heat protectant and it smells amazing. It's going to give your hair a nice shine and protect it from any heat. We're also going to use some Moroccan oil. I freaking love Moroccan oil. I used to use this a lot, especially when I used to wear weaves. But yeah, I'm going to rub this in between my hands. It's really thick and you're going to rub this throughout the hair. It's also going to give it a nice little shine and it smells freaking amazing.
I just bought a pistol, it got 30 rounds in it. I bet your mama house, put some rounds in it. With a nigga walking with some niggas drowning. Nigga round drawn, got a nigga down with. I'm on that gang shit, murder gang shit, murder gang shit, I'm on that gang shit, murder gang shit. Nigga round drawn, got a nigga down with. I'm on that gang shit, murder gang shit, gang shit, shit, I'm on it, gang shit, murder.
Reload.
You don't put up on the L, pussy boy, you can't deal. I bought a brand new and I put me up some drop. Y'all say
Okay, you guys, so now let me show y'all this wig, because let me just tell you guys, when I say I was so thorough and just really took my time with this unit, you guys, I made sure I took my time when I plucked the hairline. I really thought about the hairline. I created a whole new hairline, and I really just plucked the fuck out of this wig. Love how gradient it is. So this is the unit, right? I plucked it. The back is not plucked at all or bleached, because I just figured that part is not going to show anyway, so I didn't really spend time on that. But when it came to the frontal, like, I really took my time with it. I did show you guys how I plucked it as well, not the entire thing. I put the wig in this ponytail, and I'm going to attempt to apply it like that and then fix the ponytail somehow like that. So we're going to see how this works. I don't know. But yeah, so the first thing that we want to do is get our base ready. So we want it to look like scalp, so we're going to need to make this a little bit more brown. It does have a little bit of makeup on it, but not really.
I just want you to focus, pull me in, pull me closer, give me that diagnosis, blow my mind like explosions, just one touch leaves me helpless, on repeat like it's endless, that she's turned to a white dress, looks so good, damn you did this, yeah. I just want you to focus on my love, just focus on my, I just want you to focus on my love, just focus on my, I just want you to focus on my love, just focus on my, just focus on my love, yeah. I just want you to focus on my love, just focus on my, I just want you to focus on my love, just focus on my, I just want you to focus on my love, just focus on my, just focus on my love, I just want you to focus on my love, just focus on my, I just want you to focus on my love, just focus on my, I just want you to focus on my love, just focus on my, just focus on my love, I just want you to focus, gotta keep your composure like you tryna earn that diploma, do it over and over, yeah, make it pop Coca-Cola, keep it hot Barcelona. But she's turned to a white dress, looks so good when I'm naked, yeah. I just want you to focus on my love, just focus on my, I just want you to focus on my love, just focus on my, I just want you to focus on my love, just focus on my, just focus on my love, yeah. I just want you to focus on my love, just focus on my, I just want you to focus on my love, just focus on my, I just want you to focus on my love, just focus on my, just focus on my love, I just want you to focus on my love, just focus on my, I just want you to focus on my love, just focus on my, I just want you to focus on my love, just focus on my, just focus on my
Okay, so I already kind of like the natural crimp in the hair. This is how the hair just looks after being air dried, by the way, because I did bleach it, wash it, tone it, all of that. So this is just what the natural curl pattern looks like, but I want to intensify it a little bit more. So I have my crimping iron right here. Oh, I thought I had it preheating, but I am going to preheat it to 400 degrees.
So inside. This shit way too formal, y'all know I don't follow suit. Stacy
dash, most of these girls ain't got a clue. All of these hoes I made off records I produce. I might take all my exes and put them all in a group. Hit my essays, I need the booch. About to turn this function into Bonnaroo. Told her I been, you coming too. In the 305, bitches treat me like I'm Uncle Luke. Had to slap the top off, it's just a roof. She said, where we going? And I set the moon. We ain't even make it to the room. She thought it was the ocean, it's just a pool. Now I gotta open, it's just a goose. Who put this shit together? I'm the glue. So and said, shorty face, Tommy out the blue. So and said, so and said, so and said.
So you guys, this is officially the finished look. I don't know what y'all think about it. Y'all think my little ponytail cute or whatever? Look how natural my edges are looking, period. You could do like a cute side ponytail like this. It's still sleek, it's still looking nice. You could wet this hair and you can wear like wet and wavy kind of look, but I just wanted to add some extra definition into the wave pattern that was already in the hair. I absolutely have no cons with this hair. This hair didn't give me no type of problem at all. That is like very rare because usually something about the hair like irks me, but everything about this wig is A1. Down to the lace on this unit, the fact that it's so transparent and undetectable, like I'm gonna zoom you guys in. You see what I'm saying? Like you guys are zoomed in and look. Where is it, honey? Hello? On their website, they're calling this the Beyonce wave. So if you want to get the Beyonce wave wig, then definitely click on the link down below. This is a 360 unit, which is why I was able to put the wig up in a ponytail. I showed you guys the full construction. Now, I put this wig in a ponytail on a mannequin head and then put it on myself. Luckily for me, this wig was small enough, and I did ask for a small, and I'm so happy that it actually fit. I did the ponytail on the actual mannequin head. I didn't do it on myself because it seems like when I do it on myself, it's a lot more difficult than doing it like on a mannequin head. So that's just a tip that I have for you guys, because I'm not really that great at ponytails, and this is probably like the best ponytail application that I've ever had. And I think a lot of it has to do with, one, that I got the correct size, but yeah, getting the right size, using a mannequin head, and that is really gonna help you get a nice sleek ponytail instead of trying to do it on yourself and then you can just cut it later. Just like how I did. You guys saw I cut a little bit of my edges off and I did not have to redo my ponytail. I did my ponytail one time and that was it. But yeah, that's just my advice for you guys. I hope you guys really like this hair tutorial. Hope you guys really like this hair. If you guys are interested, like I said, a link will be listed down below. Shout out to Only for sponsoring today's video. Shout out to all of you guys for returning, and I will see all of you guys in my next one. Bye.